Welcome to this edition of Local Business Spotlight. Presented by Grand Splash Marketing in association with 360grandlake.com. This week we sit down with Michael and Ailey, the owner of Aileys Cafe in Langley, Oklahoma.
I'm Michael and Ailey, and I'm the owner of the Aileys Cafe. We bought the place last May 25th. I'm not quite sure why I did. It was just one of those things that happened. I did not know what I was getting into. And so, consequently, I've been on a steep learning curve this last year. We've done what we could to clean it up, but not change what it was traditionally, which was a restaurant that you could go to and be comfortable in and get American food. Pies, roast beef, hamburgers, chicken fried steak. We try to stay as close to the original. We start with the original product where we can and try to make a meal that people will enjoy coming and eating. We serve breakfast all day, and that includes, fried eggs, so grill's on all day. It shuts off at 9 o'clock at night. So we'll take care of you the best we know how. Our morning staff, they start at actually 5 o'clock in the morning, preparing the place and then getting everything set up and going. Janice Haddock is our primary lead person there, and handles it very well. Very personable, super lady. Most of the clientele come in because Janice is here, I think. She really takes care of them, and our motto is good food and good service, and she is the epitome of that, and she really does a wonderful job. The really big item on our menu is our ribeye steaks, which you can get with your baked potato or fries, or if you want mashed, salad. And they are, I'll put them up against anybody's. We have an 8-ounce one and a 12-ounce one on the menu. Our jumbo shrimp that's a nice meal. We try to stay as affordable for our clients as we can. We have codfish, pork cutlet that is pretty popular, and our pies are pretty good sellers. We've got just a plain custard pie that is one of the favorites around here. It's not fancy, but it's the one they like, and it's the one like Mama used to make, I think. And those pies are all made in-house. Some of our specials just kind of are off the cuff. It's kind of cool that day, so they'll whip up some chili, which isn't even on the menu, but we put the chili together because that's what we're going to like to eat that crispy day. Our salads are pretty good in that we can put the chicken on top, or we can do the chef salad, or our ham is a ham steak that does get good reviews from the customers. We're open from 6 o'clock in the morning until 9 o'clock at night. We hope you'll come and see us. Our phone number is 918-782-9515. We have to-go menus, and you can call us in and order at any time. We'll try to accommodate whatever it is that you would like to have that evening or that day. And we look forward to serving you and keeping your tummy full.